What I want to do here is help out some beginning artists and cartoonists, and I want to do a series of videos to give you a few pointers. And my first one here is called the rule of the threes. Now, say you were going to draw some rocks, for example. Now, what you'd want to do, rather than just draw one rock, you'd want to draw three rocks. Think of the rule of the threes. So here I'm going to draw two rocks, and then a smaller rock separate from that. See? And then you can add some shadows and some detail like this. The light's coming in from the right. Just make it rocky. So what I've got here is one big rock like this, one sort of medium-sized rock like that, and then you got the smaller rock. Now that's a good design, that's a good arrangement, and this can apply to a lot of things. For example, if you want to draw, say, a mountain, you draw a really big mountain here, and then you'd have kind of a medium-sized mountain here, and then maybe in the background a small one like that. So, and one thing to know about this is when you're drawing mountains, for example, you want to put most of the detail up at the top. You want to make this very sharp. And then as it goes down, you get something called atmospheric perspective. So you want the detail to kind of trail off a little bit, right? Like this. But this is the same principle. You got your large mountain, your medium, and a small. It's a good design. And in this case, you could maybe enhance the aerial perspective, put like a little bit of a fog bank or something behind it, just to give the illusion that that big mountain is even bigger. And then you could have maybe a stream or something emanating from there like that. Now, you could add as much detail as you like to these mountains, but with the stream, how do you make that look like maybe that's a road? I mean, how do you make it look like a water? Here's a simple trick for that. Just draw some vertical lines. It's like magic. That's all you got to do, and all of a sudden you got, boom, you've got like a nice stream. You could draw a few little rivulets like this if you want. But there you go, and then you got like the basis of a nice background or painting or whatever you want to do. And that's again, that's using what I like to call the rule of the threes. I do this a lot in my cartoons. So you've got something big and something medium and something small, just like the rocks here. You might want to add some shadows to this. But that's how it works. And again, with the water, I didn't mean to add this into the video, but that's something you could do. Say like you have like a spilled soda pop can like this, and you need to show some liquid coming out like this. It's the same principle. Just add some of these lines. Boom. Everybody's going to recognize that as a liquid, and that's how you do it.